Hello class 10, let's continue our class. Okay, so today I will start covalent bond. Okay, so write down covalent bond. So last time we done ionic bond, isn't it? And those compounds which has ionic bond, then those compounds are called ionic compound. Likewise covalent bond. Okay, so covalent compounds. Okay, so see the chemical bond formed sharing of by the sharing of electrons between between two atoms. Okay, is known as is known as covalent bond. Okay, so this is your covalent bond. So by sharing. Okay, last time we done with transfer of electron or losing or gaining. Okay, so covalent bond is formed when both the reacting atoms need electrons, okay, to achieve their inert gas state. Okay, so next one, the bond formed between the atoms of same element is a covalent bond. Okay, same element means same. Okay, so next, there are the three types of covalent bonds. So write down covalent bonds are three types. Okay, so first type is your single covalent bond, single covalent bond. Second, double covalent bond. Third, triple. Okay, triple covalent bond. These are the three types of covalent bond. Okay, so one by one we'll be doing one by one. Okay, first write down single covalent bond. Okay, so first write down first one, single covalent bond. So write down single covalent bond. First, single covalent bond. So this is single means by sharing one electron. Okay, double means by sharing two electrons. Triple means sharing three electrons. Okay, so nothing is that much hard. Okay, tough. It's a simple topic. Okay, it's not a tough topic. So write down a single bond is formed by sharing one pair of electron. You should know this one. Okay, a single bond is formed by the sharing of one pair, okay, of electrons between or among or between two atoms. Atom maybe same element or different element is there. Okay, so first example is your chlorine. Okay, first example is hydrogen, but let's see hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen, another is also hydrogen. Okay, so electronic configuration one, isn't it? It can share, isn't it? So it can form like this bond. Okay, so pair, this dash means pair of electron. Okay, this dash means pair of electron. Okay, first one, let us see. This is your just example. Next example is your formation of dichlorochlorine. Okay, so chlorine, isn't it? Yes or no? So duita atom चाहिन्छ, isn't it? These two are the atoms, so they are going to share. Okay, so valency of chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, isn't it? Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, valency of chlorine, isn't it? So it can share one electron, isn't it? So if you add this, you'll get this types chlorine, right? So these two are sharing electrons, isn't it? They form one bond. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now configuration is 8 comma 8. अगाडि के थियो 2 comma 7 maybe 2 comma 7. So it wants to go with inertness, isn't it? So 8 8 by count like this. Okay, count like this. So you'll get Cl double bond Cl. Okay, this is a single bond. Okay, one pair of electron. Clear? So next one is your त्यसरी नै तिमी के गर हाइड्रोजन को त बनाइदिया राखेको छु. So तिमीलाई होमवर्क दिनु पर्यो. So HCl homework is your first HCl को बनाऊ हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. नेक्स्ट इनपुट दिनु पर्यो हैन H2O को बनाऊ. ओके, CCl4 very important, बनाऊ यसरी. ओके, so next what is ammonia NH3 ammonium. Okay, so next double bond. So next double covalent bond. So write down double covalent bond is formed by sharing of double pair. Okay, or you can write two pairs of electron between two atoms. Okay, so first example, let's see oxygen. Okay, let's see oxygen. So if I have oxygen, then this is your oxygen 1 2 3 4, isn't it? 5 6. Another is also oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6, isn't it? This is our oxygen. Okay, if you add, they will share. Okay, they will share like this. Okay, so that is why it forms double bond. Okay, duita share huncha. Okay, let me do this one as it is. So share like this, 6 7 8. So 4 4, isn't it? So you'll get, or you can add O double bond of O2 molecule, isn't it? This is your O2 molecule. So this is non-metal, isn't it? Oxygen. Next one, homework is your CO2. Okay, next you have C2H4. Okay, homework here YouTube तिर हेर. Okay, you'll get. Okay, now next is your triple bond. Okay, so write down triple bond. Triple bond is formed by triple bond, TRIPLE. Triple bond is formed by sharing sharing of 3 pairs, okay, 3 pairs, THRE, 3 pairs of electrons between an atom. Okay, let's check this one. If I take nitrogen, then I'll get, isn't it? Yes or no? Nitrogen ka valency 3, isn't it? So nitrogen N2 molecule, example is your N2 molecule. So N, so what is the valency of nitrogen? 5, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5. So next 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so to get 8, so they are sharing like this, isn't it? Share गर्दैछ ती तीनवटा electrons, so they form triple bond, isn't it? So you can write like this also, 2 3 1 2 3 and double double double. Okay, so you can write and triple bond and. Clear? So next homework write down. Homework is your C2 नेट में बनाउनु ल, C2H2 that is your homework. Okay, only one. So next, covalent compounds. The compounds containing covalent bonds are known as covalent compounds. Okay, covalent compounds. So write down triple bond, you understood, isn't it? So write down covalent compounds. अगाडि ionic compounds चाहिँ सेम गर्नु ल, ionic covalent compounds. The compounds containing CONTEINING containing covalent bond. Okay, covalent bonds are called covalent compounds. This is easy one, isn't it? So just sharing of electron they form. Okay, so next write down properties of ionic compounds. Okay, now comes, if you want to define ionic compounds, then just change this one, ionic compounds, compounds containing ionic bond. Okay, IONIC, ionic bond, are called ionic compounds. Okay, so now let's start properties of ionic compounds. Properties of ionic compound, covalent compound, that's very important. So properties of ionic compounds, properties of ionic compounds. First write down, ionic compounds are usually crystalline solid. Okay, crystalline solid. Ionic compounds are usually crystalline solid. Clear? So next, ionic ionic compounds have high melting point and boiling point. Okay. Third write down, ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water. So ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water. If not, then it cannot it cannot conduct electricity. Okay, पानीमा भिजायो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ, it can conduct electricity. So next write down तीनटा चाहिँ याद राख्नु ल. Okay, next properties of covalent compound. Okay, properties of covalent compounds. यसले लेखा 1 2 3. Okay, so तीनटा चाहिँ तिमीले याद राख्नुपर्छ. So write down covalent compounds are usually liquid. Okay, covalent compound are usually liquid or gas. Only some of them are solid. For example, alcohol, ether, benzene, these are liquid. Methane, ethane, these are solid. Okay, so second, covalent compounds have usually low boiling point, okay, and melting point. Third one, covalent compound तिमी डल्लै लेख्नुपर्छ ल. are usually insoluble in water. Covalent compounds are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvent. Alcohol. Okay, those are organic solvent. Next, fourth one is your covalent compound do not conduct electricity. Why? Because they do not have free electrons, okay, or free ions. They do not dissociate, okay, or dissociation will not take space. Okay, so now distinguish between covalent and ionic compound को distinguish यहाँ बरम गर्दा भयो उताबाट गर्दा पनि भयो. Okay, sharing of electron and transfer of electron त्यहाँबाट गर्दा पनि भयो. Okay, now you have next topic is your occurrence of metal. Don't do that one. Okay, refine extraction of metal तिनीहरु चाहिँ के भएको छ syllabus बाट निकालेको छ. Okay, if they add it again I'll check and I'll tell you. Okay, so this ends your chapter number maybe 3. Okay, right, so next we'll start physics. Okay, like magnetism. Okay, we'll start directly magnetism. So next class be there. Okay, so occurrence of metals, extraction of metal, those topics are excluded from your syllabus. Okay, so if they included then I'll tell you. Okay, so next we'll do magnetism. Okay, and one important notice that you have to submit your work, okay, as soon as possible, excluding the chain. Okay, other have to post. Okay, otherwise I will not give marks. Okay, I'm telling straightforward. Okay, so thank you class.